Dame Dollar. Yeah, the wait is over. Look, look, look. My first encounter with adversity was somewhat an emergency. I fell off the path and my mental, it needed surgery. The more I stumbled off, the more my actions started irking me. I got it together and the top looked like my turf to be. They think money rules, I'm rich and I'm done with school. My problems still exist, so don't listen to none of them fools. For currency, they running their lives and they paid in full. I took a task and made it cash and my path then became cool. My life came full circle at the park, was throwing left hooks. Now I'm in the league with Steph Curry and Russell Westbrook. Took a couple bumps, boy, you never see my chest shook. My heart came from a lion, this path only the best took. I wanna check the critics, cause all the things they nitpick, they always seem to skip where he started this ascension, like reciprocity. But that ain't what they give him. I did it from the jump, but you stumble, they pay attention. Aware of my surroundings at all times, a wallfly. I spot a coward a mile off, no small mind. Put that pressure all on my shoulders, return with Hulk spine. A hothead when they rain on my parade. Let my thoughts dry. Experience in my life prepared me for the high life. All the times I struggled just prepared me for the highlights. Used to circle shoes in East Bay, now mine on fly sites. And we can toast to that, my circle sharing the